Hey folks, it's a rainy day in Golden Valley, Arizona. You may see a little raindrops on my hat. I'm out in the studio today, so I haven't done anything out here for quite a while, but getting things rearranged and got another building for Vicki for her resin stuff, so she moved out of the studio. So
thank God.
So anyway, senior moment. Today is December 4th, as I recall. And so this is just, I'm not going to do any kind of a demo or anything today, just going to share a memory. And this, as you can see, is a sign that I made and had autographed by Ray Price. Now, I don't recall the exact date. I should have dated all these, but you know, in retrospect, I never expected to be showing these on a video. But at any rate, I was backstage at Hee Haw, and I knew that he was going to be there. So I made a sign for him, and he was very appreciative, very nice guy. He's sort of standoffish, and he had people around him that he wasn't that easy to get to, but he's been in the business for so long that he's probably seen a lot of people try to take advantage of him. But once he realized that I wasn't after anything except just to give him a sign, and I made one like this for him, but of course on his I centered it, painted it, and I didn't sign it or anything. I just gave it to him. And on this one he signed it. It says, "To Dave," excuse me, "To Dave, thanks for the plaque, Ray Price." And so this goes up on the wall in my new building, and you'll see it once I get that all done. Then I'll show all the signs that I have. So this is just a memory. Nothing really unique about meeting Ray Price, other than the fact that he was really he's a nice guy, great performer, and him and his Cherokee Cowboy band was there. So that's all I have to say about this one. So that's my senior moments for this time. See you next time.